MED FRIGO S.A. is a flexible and dynamic company offering its customers high-standard international and national transport refrigeration services and integrated logistics services. With the majority of the domestic aquaculture companies being our customers, since 1991, MED FRIGO has been the largest Greek company actively transporting fresh and frozen seafood products from Greece to Europe and vice versa. Having ISO 9001 certified and accredited quality standards and HACCP food safety standards, as well as the EC code for storage and preservation, the company abides by all cold chain and hygiene regulations. MED FRIGO has its head offices in Demetres, the main port connecting Greece with Italy and the rest of Europe, and a branch in Anagnostopoulos, Attica. The company runs a significant number of refrigerated trucks per month, distributing fresh and frozen seafood products to more than 200 destinations in Europe. Italy, Spain, Portugal, France, England, Germany, Holland, Slovenia, Denmark, Czech Republic, with scheduled departures 365 days per year. Our long-standing experience in the distribution sector, together with our main aims, which are modernization, quality and consistency in the services we provide, guarantee the provision of integrated transportation and logistics services. Ordering, collection, storage and distribution are the main services offered by the company. The most modern advanced technology systems enable us to monitor constantly the progress of all shipments and, by extension, inform customers accordingly at every stage. The entire premises are supported by electronic data processing applications specifically designed for logistics operations that allow fast and accurate access to all the information by all the parties involved. This results in direct tracking of goods, elimination of errors, and by extension, a reduction in labor costs. Certainly of equal importance for the company is the full report on delivery time and the levels of customer service and satisfaction, both of which are achieved through the application of specialized computerization. Our responsibility begins with the collection of goods from the customer's warehouses by our transportation means or those of our third-party associates, and continues up until their delivery to their final destination. The unloading, counting and storage of the goods is implemented at our head offices. Additionally, services such as palleting, unification, separation of freight, and preparation of orders are also implemented at our head offices. The goods are sorted and stored in refrigerators for fresh frozen products in areas of regulated temperature in accordance with the conditions required to meet HACCP specifications so that their healthy storage is ensured. The goods distributed and stored on the premises of MED FRIGO are insured against all risks specified by law. The MED FRIGO fleet provides distribution services to and from all destinations where shipment and collection of goods is implemented. Our fleet uses state-of-the-art technology and is perfectly maintained. With our 34 privately owned refrigerated trucks and in excess of 100 vehicles owned by our associates, the company is flexible and able to handle full and collective freight. The refrigerated trucks are equipped with all the modern temperature control systems, with cooling chambers that can transport products at 2 different temperatures. MED FRIGO's premises boast a gas station and car wash, where vehicles are thoroughly disinfected after unloading using an advanced disinfection system. We also provide electro-hydraulic ramps for loading and unloading of goods, able to adapt to all vehicle heights. Electric pallet lifters and electric forklifts. Refrigerators for fresh and frozen products that meet HASP specifications. An electric generator, electric brooms and washing machines. Our personnel in the orders department, the storage areas, the accounts department, the distribution network, and secretarial support is one of our relative assets. Our aim is to ensure that every employee reaches their full potential for the particular post they fill, so as to provide high-standard services to both customers and associates. For this reason, the company provides continuous training and know-how, continuously evaluating the efficiency of each associate. MED FRIGO was established with one vision: to offer qualitative and integrated services in the refrigerated road transport and logistics sectors. This vision has become a reality due to the fact that since the very beginning, MED FRIGO has operated according to values and principles which it continues to adhere to, such as consistency, trust between the company and its customers, a constant presence and effort to modernize and develop the services it provides, the ultimate goal being to fully meet customer needs swiftly, safely, and reliably.